I've been working with ATOS now for over 3 years, and this has been one of the most exciting phases of my career. During this time, the company has always shown faith in my abilities and has afforded me the opportunity to lead and be a part of various initiatives such as factory optimization, setting up the production for the launch of our own brand, preparation for operationalizing our Japanese joint venture, and partnering with one of India's leading FMCG concerns. These opportunities have allowed me to interact with many industry experts and also involve travel to Japan to study their systems and processes, all of which have been a great learning experience. It feels great to be recognized and rewarded for your work. Recently, I've been given the responsibility of looking after the sales and marketing as well as sourcing efforts, a unique set of complementary and contrasting functions. I most appreciate the company for being encouraging and supportive of all its employees.
At Katosh, I have come to realize that your inherent skills and talents are not only recognized but also brought out, and everyone is given a chance to improve themselves. This approach has helped the company maintain the high standards that it is known for in the trade. The company not only takes care of its employees but is particularly mindful towards being environment friendly. A testament to this is the near 70% green cover that has been maintained at our facility, among many other such efforts.
Hi, I am Selvaraj from ATOS Accounts team. I am extremely blessed to be in the work culture of ATOS, where all employees have equal opportunities and one treated as TOS family. The natural and hygienic infrastructure at TOS gives me great pleasure to work here. ATOS work culture encourages honesty, diligence, hard work and loyalty. I respect and value the freedom of work given at TOS. Thank you.
নমস্কার, আমি অসিত সরকার। বিগত 38 বছর ধরে আমি টি ট্রেডের সঙ্গে জড়িত আছি। উপস্থিত ATOS অ্যান্ড সন্স কোয়েম্বাটুর ব্রাঞ্চে আমি টি টেস্টার হিসাবে কাজ করিতেছি। এই কোম্পানির সাথে আমি কাজ করে এতই আমার আনন্দ হয় যে আমাদের ম্যানেজমেন্ট, আমাদের ডাইরেক্টর সমস্তভাবে যথাযথভাবে আমাকে সাহায্য করে এবং আমার কাজ করিতে খুবই আনন্দ লাগে। আমি আশা করি আগামী দিনে এইভাবে আমার ATOS অ্যান্ড সন্স আরও এগিয়ে যাবে এবং আমরাও ভালোভাবে কাজকর্ম করে কোম্পানিকে এগিয়ে নিয়ে যেতে সাহায্য করব। ভবিষ্যতে আমার কোম্পানি আরও বড় হোক, আমি এই প্রার্থনা করি এবং আমার ম্যানেজমেন্ট সবাই মিলেমিশে কোম্পানির সাথে কাজ করে কোম্পানিকে এগিয়ে নিয়ে যাওয়ার আমার উদ্দেশ্য।
ATOS works with the client from different countries of the world. This gives us the opportunity to meet and interact with people from belonging to different cultures and help us to extend the horizon of knowledge, which is playing a very important role in our career growth. Over and above, the very important fact is that we come from different cultures and background, but while at work we share one culture, that's the mutual respect. Feeling proud to be a part of ATOS and Sons family. Thank you.
Working for 26 years with ATOS gives me great joy. It has a very friendly workspace where there is open communication and direction at the need of the hour. The rules and policies are made to give more flexibility in work with a purpose to achieve the set plans.